Good morning everyone. My name is Srinidhi. I am from 7th standard. Today our topic is about how do assemblies make laws. Usually laws are drafted by the ruling party as it alone has the majority support in the assembly to pass them. However, on some issues, a member can also propose a law and it can be adopted if the majority supports it. Let us look at the procedure for making a law in detail. Before a law is passed, the proposed law is bill. After being passed by the both chambers and after the approval of the governor, it becomes a law and it is called an act of the state legislature. Now I am going to play the role of speaker. I'll ensure that everyone gets a turn to talk and debates are fair.
I am ML1. Today I am going to tell about my area issues. Honorable Speaker, due to lack of rain for the past 3 years, the groundwater level in my area decreased too much. The government has not taken any steps in this regard. I wish to know from the Honorable Minister the steps taken being underground water conservation.
Honorable Speaker, yes, it is true. The situation in my area is not better. The work of the officials is not satisfactory. The people have to walk a long distance to get drinking water.
I am MLA4. Honorable Speaker, the government should provide strengthened bunds of the tanks, remove the silt, and should take suitable steps to store the rainwater during rainy season. Moreover, trees should be planted on the bunds to prevent bleaching of the tank bunds.
I am MLA3. Honorable Speaker, the government is aware of the situation. It has already taken up the necessary measure to prevent further damage.
I am MLA5. Honorable Speaker, the opposition should appreciate the steps taken and should offer constructive suggestions. They should not unnecessarily criticize the government. Bunds were built in my area and as a result, there had been a considerable rise in the level of groundwater in my area. Government officials are within the reach of people.
I am MLA6. Honorable Speaker, the industrial unit in my area are discharging polluted water in the river and it has adverse effect on the people health. I would like to know the steps being taken by government. This is the serious issue in my constituency.
I am Minister. Honorable Speaker, the government has great concern for the health of the people. It has taken up all the remedial and protective measures in the drought-prone mandals. Development of tanks, plantation of trees, banning sand, mining are some of them. The government takes into consideration the suggestions of honorable members and also takes the support of all for the successful implementation of the program.
Now everyone can vote on the proposal. Who are voting, please raise your hands. Who are not voting, please raise your hands. We got the majority of votes. We got 6 votes.
I am the vote counter. We got majority of votes. We got 6 votes. Everyone's opinion matters on a democracy. Laws are made based on majority decisions through a democratic process where elected representatives vote on proposed laws. Listening, debating and voting are crucial in our democracy. They help citizens make informed decisions and hold their leaders accountable.
Let us pass this bill to the Governor of State for approval.
I am the Governor. I approve the bill and it becomes a law.